Hello, hello again, everyone. This is the Forex Revolution channel. What is the Forex Revolution? Is okay. So I know that many of you are trying to trade Forex or crypto or stock market for a long time, and you haven't been succeed. And it's well known that 90% of the people who are trading Forex are losing money in Forex or in any market or in crypto or the stock market. Why? Why is that? Because the market is built like so that most of the people will lose and the other people will gain their money as a profit. Okay? 10% of the people will win and 90% of the people will lose. But why? Why 90% of the people which are smart people, they are not loser, they are winner, they are very smart, they are very clever, they learned Forex, they took courses of Forex, they paid a lot of time and money investing in Forex. Why they are losing again and again and again? Have you ever thought about it? Why? Because the market is built like so most of the people will lose. Okay, so the forex revolution is actually trying to do the opposite of everyone. Okay, forget everything you knew about forex, and I mean everything. You don't have to learn anything about forex. You can start today and you will win today. Okay, why? Because I simplified forex trading for you to be so simple that anyone can do it. But the mindset is the key for the change. Only the mindset. I didn't invent my trading system. I didn't invent anything. I'm myself a very frustrated trader for I've been for a long time, and I lost again and again and again in forex. And one day I thought to myself, why is that? Why is everything that I'm doing is not going well in forex? It can go well like for a day, a week, a month, but that's it. Then everything collapsed. And I kept thinking to myself, it's like there's something on the computer, on the system, that making me lose again and again and again. And not just me, everyone. Watch all the forex YouTube channels out there. Watch everything. There are so many people trying to learn forex again and again and again, and they're trying again and they're losing again and again and again. Something is in the core of the idea is avoiding people from being success. So I thought to myself to change my mindset, to change it completely. If I took all the times that I wanted to succeed in forex and eventually I lost, it was because one thing. What is common to all those times that I tried a new forex system, a new indicator, a new risk management system, everything? What is common to all of these systems is one and only one. I was trying to make money, and this is where I've been wrong. The system built like so that you will lose money no matter what. And because you are trying to make money in forex, you are losing. The 10% of people who makes money in forex are people who want to lose in forex. This is why they are making money. This is the secret that no one told you before. Because the market is built to do the opposite of you of what you are doing. Okay, I know it sounds very strange, and everything you been taught about risk management and technical analysis and order blocks and take profit and everything, simply wrong. This is the wrong approach. I don't say it's impossible to win like that, but for the long term you will lose money because the system is built like so. Let's look at the charts. Okay, chart right now. This is the chart. This is the gold chart versus the dollar. The market is built like so that we can see it right now, but there are many, 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 many orders that people are placing with their some people place their stop loss over here, some people place the stop loss over there, some people place their take profit over here. Okay, so the market knows where you put your stop loss, and it will eat your stop loss, and then it will do the things it want to do. Okay, I'll make it more simple. You can't force the market to give you 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, because it doesn't work that way. The market wanna make a move. You can't force the market to give you 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. What you can do, you can follow the market. You can act according to the market. Okay, this is what you can do. And this is what the Forex Revolution is about. I want you to forget everything you know about Forex, because everything is wrong. Start changing your mindset to a loser mindset. Try to lose money in Forex on purpose. Believe me, try to lose money in Forex on purpose and you will win. Okay? Change this one tiny little thing. Do it for a while and you will learn how to make money easily in Forex every day, all the time, day in, day out. Okay, this is it for now. This is just some kind of an introduction. I will talk to you soon in our live trading sessions, in our more videos. Watch my shorts, watch my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon.